Hi, welcome back. I'm Kathy, and if you're new to my channel, I do food and product reviews. And I finally found these, the Folios Cheese Wraps. For a while, I saw these all over social media. People were going crazy about them, but they were only being sold at Costco. Don't have a Costco membership, but then I think they were being sold at Aldi. My Aldi never had them, but I finally found these at Publix. So if you're not familiar with what they are, it's a piece of cheese rolled out is what it is. So if you are eating low carb or don't eat bread for some reason and you miss, a wrap, like a sandwich, this could be perfect for you. So this is basically a cheese tortilla. I guess that's the best way to describe it. So you can wrap it or roll it, crisp it, and melt it. So we're gonna try a few different things with this. And also, it was perfect timing this morning. I got a DM on Instagram from Danny with an I, on how to make a video on how to make your own cheese wraps. So I did watch several videos today on how to do it, and it's all basically the same. You may have already seen them, I don't know, but we're gonna try it and compare the two and see how they do. So first of all, I'm gonna make a wrap, just a ham and cheese wrap. So let's go give it a try. So I have already opened these and I did try a piece, but I didn't try it as a sandwich. So they come in these like a parchment paper. So that was this one. So I'm gonna get, so each one of these is 160 calories, 13 grams of fat, 8 grams of saturated fat, 330 milligrams of sodium. It's only 1 carb, no sugar, and 11 grams of protein. It's right at 7 inches. So to give you an idea, I'm just gonna show you regular, this is like a flour tortilla for tacos, for soft tacos and fajitas. So it's a little bit bigger than your small soft taco shell. That might be a little much, but I do love mayo. And this is something new that I found at Aldi today. Never seen they had like sliced deli meat before. It was already prepackaged, but I didn't think that was a bad price. $2.99 for 8 ounces. When I buy Black Forest ham at like Publix, it's around $8.49 a pound. So I think this is a good deal. All right, so it like fits perfect. Put 2 pieces on. I'm gonna add some lettuce. I prefer my lettuce shredded, and then some red onions. Before I roll it, I'm gonna kind of show you. You can see, it looks kind of weird. It's like, it kind of feels a little plasticky, but we'll see. All right, so I'm gonna roll it up. All right, cute. It does feel a little waxy. Pretty good. I don't get a lot of cheese flavor, to be honest. I think I would like this better with like a pepper jack. I do know they sell these in several different flavors, but Publix only had the cheddar and a Parmesan. So I was thinking the Parmesan would be good if you like had a Caesar salad. You could wrap a Caesar salad in it. Thought that would probably be pretty good. I'm gonna try this by itself. It's a very, very mild cheddar. So they said you could also melt this and like make it crispy to make like a taco shell or like a bowl that you could eat a salad out of or something. So I'm gonna try that next. So I'll put it like this in the refrigerator. In the microwave. I'm gonna go at a minute 15. It's really bubbling up. Set for a taco to hold it. Big taco shell. So to leave the parchment paper on to save your skin from burning off, I guess. Hey, look at that. Well, that's pretty awesome. That's one big old taco shell. But that's pretty cool. Okay, so I think that worked very well. I know you can do this with just cheese too. I've seen people melt it in a just in a pan on the stove and then wait till it gets bubbling and take it off and you do the same thing. It's nothing really that new, but it is pretty cool. So one other thing they said you could do with this, if you put it in a pan and then you made like an omelet on top of it, you could do that with it. I guess just use your imagination. You can find different things to do with it. Like I said, these have been super hard to find. So if you can't find them and you don't want to pay the price, because these were $5.99 for 4, a little pricey. Now I'm going to try to make my own. I have never done this before. I'm going to use provolone instead of cheddar. So we'll see how it goes. So this seems to be super simple. You just take a piece of parchment paper, fold it. All right. So if you want to get some deli cheese, whatever kind you like, just make sure it's not the thin sliced. So I'm going to take a piece, put it in the middle, then I'm going to just tear this in half, put one on the top and bottom. Sandwich it between the parchment paper and microwave it for 15 seconds. Turn the turntable off because I think the parchment's going to hit the side when it goes around. So 15 seconds. I think that would depend on your microwave too. Maybe a little more, maybe a little less. So I hear it if it's too much. All right. Be careful when you pull it out. It might be hot. Ooh, I think I went too far. I just need to roll it out. You can either use your hand or you can use like a rolling pin. Just a little rolling pin here. So the shape isn't perfect, I can tell you that, but that's all right. You see it? It's all white. Refrigerate it for like 5 minutes. So it's been in the refrigerator for a little more than 5 minutes, but it comes right off with that. So not the best shape, I can tell you that. Like I said, I may have gone a little too long, but we'll see. It may have been a little too thin too, but we'll see. I think it'll work. Yeah, this was definitely a little longer than the Folios. So, all right. Some more lettuce, some red onions. All right, so I'm gonna roll it up. Just coming off pretty easy. To be honest, this, yeah, I did go a little thin, but that's all right. Like I said, it was my first time, I learned. Okay, this. Give it a try. I'm gonna try my homemade cheese wrap. So easy. Yeah. I prefer provolone over cheddar, but so if you want to try these, I just wouldn't roll it out as thin. Unless you like it that way, which is fine. Very impressed the way these turned out. It was super easy to do. Like I said, you just have to play around with it to get your shape right, however you want it. But even though this was thin, it doesn't bother me. It still holds everything in. 2 pieces of the cheese is this equivalent to 1 of the wraps, so that's the same. So per price, I know this was $5.99 at Publix. I know they're a little cheaper than that, but I still know they're a little pricey for what they are. So for me, for paying $5.99, worked out to be $1.50 a wrap, which with the cheese, I think it was $2.76 per package. So for 2 slices, it worked out to be like 49 cents. Folios, you're good, just a little pricey. So, you know, make them yourself. Save yourself some money. So I hope this helps if you've been looking for the wraps or you didn't know anything about them. Make your own. Super simple. Parchment paper and cheese and a microwave. So if you have tried the Folios or if there's another brand out there, I don't know if there is, let me know in the comments below, or if you make your own, let me know that too. Okay, so that brings me to the question of the day. I could not remember the price of the Folios, so luckily I use the Fetch app. It is a, it's like a money back app, coupon type app. Since I use the Fetch app and I scan all my receipts, I was able to go back and find that receipt and find out that I did pay $5.99 for them. So my question is, do you use any of these cashback apps? Some work like coupons, others work, you scan certain things, you scan your receipts, you get so many points for things you buy, and then you turn your points in for gift cards. So I use 3 of them. I use Shopkicks, Fetch, and Ibotta. I plan on doing a review on those, because if you don't use those, I think you should, because no, you're not going to get rich off of them. But it is nice, you know, I get a $25 gift card here or there, and it's nice to use. So there's plenty of them out there. I wanted to do this review for a while on those 3 because I think it would be a way for you to make a little money, and easy. And it's easy. I don't use them to the full extent that I probably could, and I'll go into that more in my review. But if there's any you use that maybe I should check out, let me know in the comments below. If you like the video, hit that thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, think about hitting that red subscribe and the bell for notifications. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.